order to postpone or cancel your event, you first need to navigate to the Manage Events page. Once you're there, you're able to click into your current live event and go to the Edit page. And once you've made it to the Edit page, you'll see a note up at the top that indicates that your event is on sale. If you'd like to postpone or cancel that event, first click Change Status. Then you'll see the option to choose a status for your event. First, we'll go ahead and postpone the event. When I've gone ahead and selected this option, you'll see that this status actually ends ticket sales. The system indicates that I should email my attendees and consider issuing refunds. It also indicates that it will take me to emails next and give me a call to action to go ahead and email those attendees. If I click Take Off Sale, my tickets are immediately taken off sale and I'll be dropped into the option to email my current attendees. Eventbrite has pre-populated an actual email outline to send to those attendees. If I'd like to go ahead and actually cancel my event, I'd do it in the same place. So I'd hit Change Status and change my status to canceled. Once I hit Confirm, again, it will drop me into this Emails to Attendees section where I can go ahead and include changes to the event, why it's canceled, include information about how to get a refund, and how to check in for updates about any future events or any updates to this current event.